Today is February the 8th, 2-8, and our title is Super 3DM. Super 3DM. Click I'm out of room. Don't forget, when you switch to a new page, you need to divide it both vertically and horizontally so that you have 4 separate squares to work from. Don't forget to put the date up in the top of the square, and let's get started. So we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to create 2 dots, one on each side, find the middle and go above and below, and then you're going to connect those till you have what looks like a squash diamond. Okay? After you've created that diamond, you're going to bring it up on the left, up on the right. Those should be equal in length. Get them as close as you can. And up in the middle, where it's longer than the other two. If you're not sure if it's longer than the other two, go ahead and just line it up with your pencil. I can see right here it's definitely longer. We're good to go. So we're going to connect these 2 areas from here to here like this. This angle here. Okay, and now you've got your cube to start from. So we're going to start at the bottom this time, right here on this side, and I'm going to bring it up here just a little bit, not all the way up, close to maybe halfway, and then up right here. So this is the bottom legs of the M. Let's go ahead and bring it together here and here. Okay, and now we're going to go up top, and we're going to bring that part down as well. So right about here, follow this angle, same thing here. Okay, so now that we have the basic part of the M, we just have to bring some lines and some angles back. We need to erase this up here. Okay, just like that. And after you've erased that, just like how this line is going this direction, so is this one right there. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Alright. For the bottom, you're going to go from here to here, but you're going to angle it just like this. So this angle, like that. Same thing on this side. This point right here, this angle, like that. Okay. So now I want you to erase this line here and this line here. Not going to need either of those anymore. And we've got just a couple more angles to bring back. So let's take a look. So right now we have an empty space right here. What we're going to do is we're going to follow that straight up. This line at this point is going to match this line right here. So bring this straight up, just like that. Okay? The line that comes off of here is going to match this line. So bring this back just like this. Okay? And you've got it built now. Let's just add some shading. I'm going to do just some pretty solid shading, not super dark, maybe like a medium gray here. I'm also going to do dark and lighten it up a little bit right here. Dark up in the corner. Lighten it just a little bit as you go down. Get that all filled in. Okay. And pretty dark on the bottom. A little bit darker there, because that's on the very bottom. So here. And then also here. And then you're going to lighten it just a little bit here on the left side and fill all that in. Okay, there you have it. There is your Super 3D M. I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Watch your proportion. Try to keep the width of the legs of the M even. Follow your angles as well. This should match with this. This should match with this. Same thing with the angles down here. These should all line up, and the straight angles as well. Okay, and don't forget to put your shading. You've got most of them solid except for right here in the corners. You should start dark and go just a little bit lighter so that there's some contrast between this section and this section.